Let's talk about social media, specifically for real estate agent. In this video, I want to dive into a couple of my favorite simple yet effective strategies for creating powerful social media content. And I'm going to dive into my own strategies of what really worked for me. But before I do that, I do want to do a quick introduction, especially for those of you that are coming to my channel that we've never got a chance to meet. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent and a CRM pure coach with Inside Real Estate. And on this channel, you're really learning from my own experience of working as a marketing consultant, as a real estate agent now for EXP. And at the same time, now working with a lot of real estate agent and my coaching client, I bring a lot of those strategies and conversations to the forefront here on my channel. I share them with you. So if you want to learn and grow together, click on that subscribe button and stay connected. And also, if you are a real estate agent looking to find your real estate brokerage, your first brokerage, or if you're looking to switch brokerages and looking to level up in your business and get support from everything from social media to kvCORE, lead generation, process, systems, name it, I highly recommend you click on that link in the description below. Book a call with me, a private one-on-one call about what it's like to partner with me and join EXP Realty. I'll be able to explain all of that to you. And I highly recommend you do your research because it is one of the most important, crucial decision you'll make when you come to EXP Realty is choosing your sponsor. So look into Agent Wolfpack, look up our resources and our training, and look into partnering with me because you get additional all of my training and courses for free. So now let's dive into social media, creating social media content for real estate agents as realtors. We all know that social media is such a great marketing opportunity, a great way for us to help us build our database, help us build relationships, nurture and follow up with potential clients. And social media is such a powerful tool, but it's one of those that could be overwhelming. And it can be, especially for those agents that haven't used it on a day-to-day basis or for personal or for business purposes, it could be a challenging marketing strategies to do. And I want to share some of my own favorite simple strategies with you to kind of help grow your business. And when you're thinking about creating a content strategy or putting together, really simple ways to think about creating content, some of my favorite advice and strategies that have really worked for me and some tips when it comes to creating effective content is thinking about your own self. We're so fortunate that as a realtor, you're really promoting yourself. It's a personal brand that you're looking to elevate. And so you don't really don't have to change anything about who you are. You really authentically have to show up and figure out every way you can to share all of you. So really be cognizant of, what kind of opportunities that can I find to show up in my own voice and tone. And those are all important aspect of creating powerful content. And what is about you that is so unique than any other realtors in your market? And show up in that authentically and be so real about it, whether maybe you're a mom, maybe you're a veteran, maybe you're a military spouse, and maybe you are a newcomer and you just recently purchased your first property and you have a unique, a special skill set and experience that you want to bring to the forefront. Those are your unique selling value proposition. And then also thinking about really key messages and keywords that people are looking and are searching you in your market. And you can use things like vidIQ for that, Google Trends, keywords everywhere, and different tools to allow you to help put together some key messages and taglines that will repeatedly come up in your social media content. So you don't have to always reinvent the wheel because guess what? People are looking and searching for that realtor in Houston, that realtor in Toronto, etc. And when you're creating content, if you have a quick checklist in mind, think about it this way. Am I providing value here? Am I relevant to the people that are following me? And showing up consistently because people are on social media scrolling every single day. Are you providing enough value and consistency and relevancy for them to be able to connect with you? And it's so important that when you're creating these content, you're thinking about the 4 C's of content creating. And it's, is my content clear? Is it compelling? Is it appealing to my audience? Is it to the point? Because it is a very, very noisy world and there's a lot of content out there. So am I making my point clearly and quickly enough? And is it credible? And it's why it's so important. We're so lucky and fortunate to be in this industry, because we all are connected to a real estate board, and we have credible information every single month that is coming to us from our real estate board, that we're paying for, that you can use in your content to share with all of your followers about your market. So jump into that and leverage those content. And what's beautiful again about being a realtor is the fact, again, you're the brand, you get to share your story and to connect with people, and be relatable, and become top of mind, and allows you to create, not only just retain your clients, but also referrals in the future. And the last thing I wanted to, share with you, which is the most important and easy and effective way to create content, especially if you're like, okay, how do I create content that is engaging, that is easy to make, and I can continue to do it while being relevant and providing value and leading with value, is these couple of points. And if you can write these in a post-it note and stick them on your computer nearby where you're about to create content, is think about it this way. you know can maybe you can create a content that's educational, maybe something inspirational, maybe you can post a quote and write a little story that people can relate to you. Maybe it's something where you're promoting a particular webinar, something that, again, providing value to people that are following you. Always think about it this way. Is it educational for the people that are following you? Maybe it's something newsworthy. Maybe the interest rate dropped again. Maybe there is a change in financing. Maybe you want to partner with a mortgage agent to deliver that news. Maybe there's a new mayor that got elected, and that's going to change some of the policies. Maybe there's a new vacant tax that's going to come into place, like it did in Toronto at one point. So thinking about different content and information that are so integral to people that are following you, and that are going to make you an authority figure in your space, is the type of content I'll be looking to create. And then also, if you have a personality that, if you have a humorous personality, and you could be a little bit funny on camera, take advantage of being a little bit more entertaining as well. And doing it and being thoughtful, and being it and thinking about it coming from a good, well-intentioned place, will create good content. And I know there's always a fine line between funny and offending somebody, especially in this day and age, but be cognizant of that as well. And can something that you post can be entertaining. And some of the funniest thing that I like to post about is when I do showings, and I find the most funniest way people have renovated or updated their property, and or the handle of something is in the wrong place. Like, those are things I love to highlight. And I love to create content that's interactive. You'll see me doing this in stories, where I'll post a little quick, hey, would you move here? And a quick poll to get people engaged. And that is the amazing way to stay connected, and to connecting, and creating that connection, building relationship, and becoming relatable. So these are some of my favorite tips for creating content that is powerful, and that is purposeful, and that's going to continue to bring clients to you, and build a better rapport, and continue to nurture your database, and again, your followers on social media, and to bring and to growing your database. I think these are some really simple but yet effective ways to attract clients. I hope this is simple and easy for you to follow. Please let me know if this was helpful for you. And this is why I wanted to quickly show you Curvy Social. And this is a platform, a social media content platform that my business partner and I created. Every single thing you see here was either hand designed, written by myself, and was put together by Jacob Sharman, this website and software. So I highly recommend you look into this. And as you can see here, this is one of those platforms you get access to for free when you partner with us here at EXP Realty. Is every single day of the month, the content is done for you. We literally give you strategies of content that's to post on either Instagram, Facebook, create a reel with it, YouTube videos, LinkedIn, blog post, name it. Some really important strategies, not just content where you copy and paste, but strategy that is going to allow you to create engagement. And obviously, this is just a really good way for you to start and build a really strong social media following, but that's effective, impactful content as well. I highly recommend you check this out. And I talk about this, and I show you a little bit more deep and in depth as you come into and join and partner with us. And I realized that I wasn't actually sharing my screen when I did that, so I really wanted to quickly show you that. And show you how powerful Groovy can be for your business, because this is by far one of the most impactful social media content. Like I said, this is Groovy Social, and this is a content planner. And as you can see, every single month, every single day of the month, and strategy is given to you. So I highly recommend you check this out. And this platform, you do get it for free, full access to it when you partner with us at EXP Realty. And that's one of the things that is so amazing with being a part of and joining and partnering with me, is that you get access to in-depth kvCORE training, you get access to social media training, our 90-day fast track program, and every single week, Mondays, you have a mastermind call with me, and you get to meet me and get to learn from me. And I do a mastermind call, but I also do it as a weekly check-in as well. So you get to ask me questions, and I get to be with you every step of the way in helping you grow your real estate business. Let's book a call and let's connect, and I'll be happy to work with you. I hope this content was helpful for you today to give you some strategies to helping you grow your business and to leverage social media a little bit more effectively for your real estate business. I'll see you next time. Thank you.